So let's start multiplying out brackets using surds.
So when we're multiplying out brackets with surds, we need to treat them in the same way we would with x.
So that's our eyebrows double chin method.
We also need to remember that a surd multiplied by itself gives the number without the square root, and that we need to make sure that we simplify any surds first. So let's look at some examples. So for this first example, the first thing I can notice is that root 8 is not in the simplest form, so I need to simplify that first. So I simplify that to 2 root 2. Then I can start doing my eyebrow double chin method. So my first eyebrow, I'm going to have 2 times 1, which is 2. For my second eyebrow, I'm going to have minus 2 root 2 times root 3. And then for my first chin, 2 times root 3. And then for my second chin, 1 times minus 2 root 2. Then I need to simplify. And I can't simplify that any further, so that's my final answer. Let's have a look at this second example. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. Eyebrow double chin. I've got root 2 times root 2, which gives me 2. Now I just need to simplify that. I have 2 minus 2, which is 0. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is just going to be a single root 2. Let's have a look at this third example. Exactly the same method. Eyebrow double chin. So I have 4 times 2, which is 8. Then I'm going to have 2 root 5 times root 2. Then I'm going to have 2 times 2 root 5, which is going to be 4 root 5. Finally, I'm going to have 4 root 2. Then I just simplify. And I can't simplify that any further. Before I do my eyebrow double chin, it's probably going to be useful if I split up these surds into some factors. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to split that up into root 5, root 2. I'm going to split this up into root 3, root 5. Then I'm going to do my eyebrow double chin. So I have 1 times 6, which is 6. And I'm going to have minus 2 root 5 root 2 times root 3 root 5. I'm going to have minus 12 root 5 root 2. And then minus root 3 root 5. Now I need to simplify this. So my 6 is going to stay as 6. Then here I've got a root 5 times a root 5. So that's going to turn into minus 2 times 5 times root 2 times root 3. And then I can put this back to root 10. And I can put this back to root 15. So I end up with 6 minus 10 root 6 minus 12 root 10 minus root 15.
I hope you found those examples helpful. Crack on with the classroom work and let me know if you have any problems.